Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Thank you for joining today's Answer Hour. My name is Leonard Jones and I'm currently working here at Bentley Systems as a technical support engineer for our MicroStation product line and other power platform products, and I'm based in Middle East. Joining this session with me today are my colleagues Karan, Carl, Reggie, Todd, and Jason. For today's session, we will be covering working with item types in MicroStation, some related issues you may encounter, as well as some use cases and basic troubleshooting steps. For today's agenda, we will be covering what is an item type, attaching item types, utilizing item types, item type features and tools, additional learning. Time will be reserved afterwards for live questions and answers. Feel free to drop your questions in the On24 interface while we move along. And our Q&A analyst will be able to provide live answers as well. So what is an item type? The definition in the help says item type is a user-defined set of properties used to describe an object or an element. In simple terms, item types are non-graphical business data or properties that can be attached to graphical elements. Once attached to an element, item types are displayed in the properties dialog. In this snapshot here, we can see a shape element as an attached item type, parcel details, which has some properties like parcel number, area, owner, and address. MicroStation has tools wherein you can create and manage a library and have a collection of item types. These item types can have property definitions, and each of the properties can store values of different types like text and numbers. You can also create your own custom property types. In this snapshot here, there is a library project 001 defined, and in that library we have a item type parcel details, which has some properties. We also have a custom property type named address. Here are the available property types. Text allows you to store alphanumerical values, which is a combination of characters and numbers. Numbers allows you to store decimal values. With integer, you can only store whole numbers. True or false allows you to store Boolean values. Date and time, as the name suggests, you can set a date and time value. With point, you can set a 2D or a 3D coordinate value. And if you have a custom property type defined, this will be available in the drop-down list as well. Here are some common support queries that we get regarding item types and tags. Item types is a new feature introduced in Connect, and it replaces the old tags feature. We have tools to upgrade the old tag sets to item types. Tag reports can also be upgraded to report definitions. And if you're working in a DWG work mode, tags are still available in the background to manage the DWG block attributes. If you're saving a DWG to DGN, you have options to upgrade block attributes to item types. So tags are still available for tools like project-wise title block integration and block attributes. So let's move to the next session, which is attaching item types.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. If you want to see more like it, please consider subscribing to this and Bentley's other channels. Thank you, and see you next time.